Hello all, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Amit and today we're going to talk about another topic in playing with data using Tableau. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to create rolling calculation. There are many scenarios where you need a rolling calculation. You need a rolling calculation in different financial application, you need it in details and all. I'm going to show you one simple example in rolling calculation today. Rolling average is the one example we are going to see. However, Tableau support rolling sum, rolling minimum, rolling maximum and all. So what is rolling average in statistics? Rolling average, it is also called as rolling moving average, rolling average or rolling running average. It's a calculation to analyze data points by creating a series of averages of different subset of full data set. Okay, now let's take one example to make it easy to understand. Using Tableau desktop 8.1, and in this example I'll be using a sample data set. So this is shipped along with Tableau, so you can use this. I'll be seeing a rolling sales average with respect to different order dates, right? So I drag and drop, put order date in my column. I also put order date in my my filter. Because I've got data for multiple years, I like to filter for only individual year. This is my year hierarchy. I click on year, go to next. I got data for multiple years. I'll confine my focus to year 2012. Okay. Now I drag and drop my sales because I like to see the average sales, and I like to see weekly sales rather than yearly sales. So I go to my right click on column year, I go to more option, custom, and I'll select details. I like to see weekly, week number and date part. So this is my weekly sales. I'll save this, rename it. So this is my weekly sales, right? I'll duplicate this, right click and duplicate, and this sheet would be an moving sales. Okay. So I rename it as moving sales, weekly moving sales if I want weekly, right? So I right click on my sales and click on add table calculation, and I use a moving calculation from the calculation type list and specify average sales. Average sales moving calculation, I continue to use previous values as 2 and next value as 0. This is my moving average sales, right? Now let's extend this example. I create, duplicate it once again, extend this example. In this example I'll say weekly, rather than weekly I say daily moving sales, right? I don't need weeks, I need daily, right? So what I do, I add another computed column from analysis, add calculated field, name it as weekly sales, weekly moving average sales, and I use the date function over here. You have a list of functions, you pick up the date function. I use date truncate and extract week from the order date. I click on date truncate. It takes 2 arguments as you see over here. Date truncate takes 2 arguments, quarter, date part and start of the week. So I use date part as week. I'll put in a single quotes, weeks, and in a second argument pass as order date. It's a column. Double click on this. This become my daily moving average sales. I like to extract date from here. It is added over here. I need to drag and drop and put it over here. Daily moving average sales, drag and drop, put over here. Right click and extract dates. Right. I'll remove this. I do not need weekly order, so I remove it. So now you got weekly sales, weekly moving sales and daily moving sales, right? You save this script. I'm going to put a dashboard and put them all together. Create new dashboard and place all these individual sheet in your dashboard, one beside other. This is a summary view of your all kind of sales. Your weekly sales, weekly moving average sales, and daily moving average sales. And you can see through all of them together in a dashboard. So that's it today. Keep watching more examples from our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Should you have any question, technical question, please feel free to write to us. You can also visit our site bsptraining.com. For training and consulting inquiry, please visit our site. And thanks for watching today's video. Have a great day ahead.